Hello! In this tutorial, we will show you how to connect a Sonoff TH10 to the TruIO platform. Links to the documentation and source code for this tutorial can be found in the video description. Before we begin, please note that the procedure will involve overriding the Sonoff's device original firmware with the custom version. It will no longer be able to work with the eWeLink app. Please do not proceed if you are unable to accept this. Let's begin by doing some hardware setup. First, open up the casing of the Sonoff device, then connect a 3.3 volts USB to UART converter to the Sonoff according to the diagram. Leave out the 3.3 volts power connection and plug in the USB UART to the PC. On the software side, get the source code from TruIO's ESP8266 GitHub repository. Download the repo as a zip file. Open up the zip file and go to the Sonoff demo folder. Here, we need to copy the contents of the library folder into Arduino IDE's own library folder. It is normally located in Documents, Arduino, Libraries. Next, open the demo sketch in the folder shown. In the sketch, enter your Wi-Fi SSID and password. As for the device key, we will obtain this from the TruIO dashboard. In the dashboard, go to Device menu and then click the plus button to add a new device. I'll set the device type as a light, name it as Sonoff TH10 and set the location to porch. Now click Save. As we can see, the device has now been created. At the moment, we can see that this device has not sent any data to the TruIO platform. Now let's head back and copy the device key by clicking on it. Back in the Arduino sketch, paste in the device key. Now go to Tools, Board and select ITEAD Sonoff. Go to Model and select Sonoff TH10. Set the CPU frequency to 160 and then select the COM port that corresponds to your USB to UART converter. Now it's time to upload the sketch to the device. Start by following these procedures. First, press and hold the button on the Sonoff device. Second, while keeping the button pressed, connect 3.3 volts power to the device. You may now release the button and proceed to click Upload in the Arduino IDE. The sketch is now being uploaded and the IDE will indicate when the uploading process is done. Returning to the dashboard, let's see if we have received any data from the Sonoff. Aha! We are now receiving temperature and humidity data from the device. But we are still missing the relay control here. Since the relay data is pushed from the dashboard side, we will have to create this data tag manually. Click the plus button again to create a tag and let's name it Relay. The relay tag has now been created. Now all that needs to be done is to link these tags to dashboard widgets. Go to Dashboard, and we will now create two gauges to represent temperature and humidity data. Once those are done, we'll add a toggle button widget to represent the relay. Link the widget to the relay tag and we're set. Let's resize the widget a little bit and move it down here. Okay, it's go time. Click on the three dots menu button and click play. The gauges are now showing temperature and humidity values, and let's see if the relay control works. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You can now control a Sonoff TH10 via the TruIO platform. Thanks for watching.